Hi, this is Kimberly here with a quick video about setting up your level 1 homework folders. I'm just having my first episode of grading for the year, and a lot of papers look really great. So I picked one to show you so that you can see how to set up your folders from now on for the rest of the year. In case there's some confusion, it usually takes a little while for people to sort of exactly see what I want. So the first thing is you can see pictures of this on pages 18 and 19 in your handbook, but now I'm going to show it to you because a picture's worth 1,000 words, so I think a video must be worth about 1,000,000 words. So here's a level 1 folder, and this is how it looks when you open it up, when it's been put together correctly. You'll notice that the final draft is right here in the middle clips, and I have already put a stamp on here to comment on the formatting. This one has great formatting. For the first and second assignments, the title of the assignment is going to be Assignment 1, Assignment 2, but we'll soon in Assignment 3 we'll switch to giving it an actual name. Also, you will see that both of her paragraphs are on the same page, and that's the way when we write, we don't do separate paragraphs on different pages. I know these don't have anything to do with each other, so that can be kind of confusing to put them together that way, but it's less confusing than when I have people separate them and then want them to start putting them together. Okay, so final drafts go in the clips in the middle. And that's the only thing that goes in there. Now, the pocket pages are in the front pocket, and I do want all the folders set up this way because it saves me time. So the very top of the set of pocket pages will always be your composition checklist. I want one that is unmarked. Now, the only reason this one has markings on it is because I had the editor sign this one, and that's the way it goes for Assignment 1. But the rest of the time, you won't be having your editor sign it. So I don't want to see any markings on here. Don't assign a grade. That's what I do. Don't check off things. I do suggest and ask actually that you print one of these for doing your homework, or either you can use the one in the handbook, but I want a clean one because I need to be able to have a place to write when I am grading your papers. Okay. So you have the composition checklist on the top. The next thing you have is all of the keyword outlines in the order in which they were written. Okay? And then after the keyword outlines, you have all of the rough drafts. For this assignment, there were 2. So I don't want keyword outline rough draft, keyword outline rough draft, keyword outline rough draft. I want all of the keyword outlines and then all of the rough drafts. And you'll see that the editor did a very great job editing, making marks on the paper. I expect to see editor's marks. There is no such thing as a perfect paper. And I want to know that the editor actually received the paper and made suggestions about things that needed to be corrected. Okay? So there won't be any papers turned in this year that don't have editor's marks, okay? And then once you have finished assembling it with a staple up in this top corner, this is the standard way of stapling papers together. I want them all stapled. Notice how neat this is. There are no pages sideways or sticking out. They're all very neatly stacked. They're stapled together, and then you put them back in this front pocket. So that's how you put your notebook together. Be sure and let me know if you have any questions.